Imagine having a personal AI health coach in your pocket, tracking your diet, workouts, stress, and even giving daily skincare tips. Sounds futuristic? Well, it's 2025, and this is the future of small business. Introduction. Hi, and today I'll show you a viral business idea that can explode in the USA and beyond, a personalized AI health and wellness assistant. We'll cover how it works, market potential, and how you can start this business today. Health and wellness is a $6 trillion industry in the U.S. Many people struggle to stick to diet, exercise, mental wellness, skincare, and stress management. Existing solutions are either generic apps, fitness influencers, or expensive personal coaches. Gap. Affordable, personalized, AI-powered guidance is missing. Example. John wants to lose 10 pounds in a month, but existing apps fail to give him actionable daily guidance. This is where AI can step in. Introducing the solution. AI Health Assistant. Explain the product concept. Personalized diet and workout plans, daily reminders and progress tracking, mental wellness and stress management tips, skincare and lifestyle suggestions. How AI makes it scalable. Uses user data to give personalized plans, learns user behavior for better suggestions, can integrate wearables, Fitbit or Apple Watch. Visual example. Show interface screenshots, can be AI-generated mockups. Market potential and stats. Health and wellness apps are $8 to $10 billion industry in 2025. AI and healthcare projected to grow 40% year over year. Target audience, millennials and Gen Z. Fitness enthusiasts, busy professionals. Highlight USA trends. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube are already full of AI lifestyle content. Explain why this business can go viral. Social media shareability plus strong demand. Step-by-step business plan. Develop MVP. Start with basic AI chatbot for fitness and diet tips. Test with beta users, collect feedback, adjust AI suggestions. Launch mobile app or web app. Include freemium plus premium tiers. Optional add-ons, wearable integration, e-commerce partnerships, supplements, skincare products. Team, AI developer, content writer, nutrition or fitness, marketing person. Monetization strategies. Freemium model. Free app with basic tips, $5 to $20 per month premium subscription. Affiliate marketing. Promote health supplements, fitness equipment, skincare products. Sponsorship and ads. Brands pay for exposure inside app or social media promotion. Online courses and workshops. Offer personalized coaching sessions via Zoom. Marketing and promotion ideas. Social media, TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts with viral AI tips. Influencer partnerships. Collaborate with fitness and wellness influencers. Email marketing. Send weekly personalized AI insights. SEO and content marketing. Blog posts like AI health hacks for 2025. This AI health and wellness assistant is a business idea with massive potential. If you act now, you could build the next viral AI startup in the USA. Comment below which niche you would target. Weight loss, skincare, mental wellness, or all of them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trending business ideas every day.